Greetings, this is Grandmaster Michael Hornsby. We all know that black belts know how to kick, punch, and block, but did you know they know how to slice, dice, and even saute too? Why not get someone that unique Christmas gift? Hey, why not get them a cookbook? Yes, my cookbook, Elite Black Belts Who Cook. It features amazing martial artists, their recipes, food tips, cooking tips, to share with their friends, family, and fellow martial artists. So if you're looking for that unique gift, that hardest shot for a person, you know, we all have them. Why not get them this cookbook, Elite Black Belts Who Cook? They'll use it, enjoy it, and remember it. So again, why not get them that ultimate Christmas gift, Elite Black Belts Who Cook? Enjoy your holidays. Merry Christmas.